This is the best place in the world, full of all kinds of animals from around the globe. But it could be even better if they had an elephant. One day, Masha comes across a zebra and asks, "Hey zebra, can you show me your stripes? Can I touch them?" The zebra says, "No, no, you can't touch them." And it starts running away from Masha. "I want to see your black and white coloring up close. Come back here, zebra." Masha runs after the zebra. They run past the bear enclosure and the mischievous girl provokes the grizzly. Hey, Mr. Bear, look at this zebra. It's so fast. You won't catch up with it." The bear gets angry and chases after them. Meanwhile, Masha has already reached the watering hole where she meets a flock of squawking ducks. Quack, 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 they greet her. "Hello," replies Masha. "You talk funny. Can I feed you?" She tosses some duck food into the water and then takes a piece of bread out of her backpack and enjoys watching how the ducks fight over it. Then one of them swims up to her and says, "Hey, little girl, what's your name?" "My name is Masha," she replies. "Well, Masha, my name is Drake, and these are my brothers and sisters. Would you like to join us for a swim?" "Oh, I'd love to, but I'm afraid I'll get wet." "Don't worry, we'll take care of that," says Drake, and the ducklings start quacking loudly. Just then, a large crocodile pops out of the water. Startled, Masha jumps onto the nearest rock. "What are you doing? Are you trying to scare me?" she shouts. "We were just playing, little girl," Drake answers. "Playing. This isn't playing. This is terrifying. But we're friends, aren't we?" "Well, yes, I guess we are," says Masha. "Then let's go for a swim together," invites the duck. "Okay, but you have to promise not to startle me anymore." "Of course," says Drake, when Masha is swimming with the ducks. Bear comes along and sees her. "Masha, there you are. I was looking everywhere for you." "Why? What happened?" "Nothing. I just thought you might want to see something funny. Look, the crocodiles are playing with the ball." Masha looks in the direction the bear is pointing, but she doesn't see anything unusual. The crocodiles are indeed playing with the ball, but it's not funny at all. They're throwing it at each other and trying to bite it. One of them accidentally hits Masha with its tail. "Ouch, it hurts," she complains. "Why did you do that?" "Sorry, little one. We didn't see you there," the crocodile apologizes. "It's okay, but maybe I'll be in more danger if I stay here any longer. I think I'll go to the other side of the pond now." "Wait a minute," says the bear. "Why don't we play hide and seek while we're waiting for Masha to come back? You can count to 10 and hide while we'll be looking for you." "That sounds fun," Masha says, "and then you'll be the first to hide." When the bear turns away, she hides behind a bush. "Ready or not, here I come," she hears him say. "Found you," he exclaims when he spots her. "Now it's my turn to hide. You count to 10 and try to find me." The bear closes his eyes and starts counting. Meanwhile, Masha sneaks closer to the crocodiles. She's been watching them play for a while now and really wants to join in. "Can I play with you, too?" she asks. Sure, the crocodiles answer in unison, and they all dive into the water. Masha is so happy she can spend the rest of the afternoon playing with the crocodiles. As soon as the bear finishes counting, he immediately spots one of the crocodiles. "Found you," he shouts. But the crocodile dives into the water before he can reach it. Where did it go? Maybe it went to look for Masha. That's exactly what she told me she was going to do. The bear wades into the water and swims over to the other side of the pond. He can't believe how quickly she found the crocodiles. I wonder if they're playing hide and seek, too. Maybe I should ask them. Just then, the bear notices a lone crocodile basking on the shore. "Excuse me," he says, "but have you seen a girl around here?" "Which girl?" "Well, she's wearing a pink dress. Her name is Masha, and she's friends with the ducks and the crocodiles." "Have you seen her?" "Over there," says the crocodile, pointing its snout in the direction of the forest. "She went that way." "Thank you," the bear replies. "I'll go look for her now." In the meantime, Masha is having a great time playing with the crocodiles and the ducks. Suddenly, she hears familiar footsteps. Oh no, it's the bear. What does he want now? She thinks. She quickly hides behind a tree. A moment later, the bear comes into view. "Have you seen a girl around here?" The crocodile asks, "Which girl?" "Well, she's wearing a pink dress. Her name is Masha, and she's friends with the ducks and the crocodiles." "Have you seen her?" "Nope, sorry, haven't," the crocodile replies. "Oh, thank goodness." Masha breathes a sigh of relief. She peeks out from behind the tree and watches the bear disappear into the forest. Then she goes back to the pond to continue playing with her new friends. A little while later, Masha feels tired and hungry. "Well, that was fun, but I'm going home now. Thanks for playing with me today. I'll bring you all some fish as a treat." The crocodiles and the ducks wave goodbye to her. As Masha walks through the zoo, she comes across an elephant enclosure. Ooh, elephants are my favorite animals. "Hi, big guy. Do you want to play with me? Can I pet you? How about a piggyback ride? Please, please, please." The elephant shakes its head disapprovingly. "No, no, no. You can't touch me." Masha keeps annoying the elephant until it finally lashes out with its trunk and sprays her with water. "I'm leaving now," she says dejectedly. "See you later." Back home, Masha tells her mum all about her adventures at the zoo. She shows her the pebbles she picked up and the sticks she collected. "Look, Mom, this elephant sprayed me with water. It was so cool. Can we get an elephant as a pet?" "Please, please, please, sweetheart. Elephants can't live in a house. Besides, we already have a pet tiger. Do you remember him? We can't get another pet." "Oh, okay. I understand." The next morning, Masha wakes up early and sneaks out of the house. She goes back to the zoo, where she spends the entire day playing with the ducks, the crocodiles, and the zebras. She feeds the ducks, rides on the crocodiles' backs, and even learns to bray like a zebra. When her mum realizes she's missing, she sets out to find her. Meanwhile, Masha is having the time of her life. She's never been so happy and free. Finally, it starts getting dark and Masha goes home. Her mum is so relieved to see her safe and sound. Mum, I had so much fun today. Can we come back tomorrow? Of course, her mum replies, but we'll come back as a family, and who knows, maybe we'll even get an elephant. Really, Mattia's eyes light up with joy. Yes, really.